Just look. Oh, this is just gorgeous. I'll link my sunset landscape pour that I did using pretty well mostly all these colors minus the custom blue. And it blended pretty well the same way, and that's what it reminds me of. And when I look at it, I feel like a sunset, you know? Again, this is abstract, so I'm feeling like a sunset down here. And it's just the flow and the movement. And I love that perfect little oval there. I'm loving having the black there on the edges, okay? It just so adds to it. And of course, the shimmer is just blindingly beautiful. I absolutely love this. I do get, again, the marble feel in terms of the patterns that you see in marble. And it was fun doing this pour for sure. But I think I'm going to call it Sunset Marble Roll because that's what it looks like to me. You guys can let me know down in the comments. But I will link those videos for you. And I'm in love with this. These colors, they're gorgeous fall colors. I mean, you use burnt sienna and a parchment or a suede, and with not almost, but any other color or shade of the warm side of the color wheel, and beautiful. And of course, a little bit of black. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Please turn on your notifications. I appreciate that. And if you are still coming back to my channel and are not hitting that subscribe button, I'm really asking you to do so. It is free. It certainly helps the channel. And I certainly appreciate it. And it makes sense, right? So thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. See you all in the next pour.